This is the Alphacool Aurora digital RGB 60mm ring, and what this is designed to do is to work with your Eisbecher reservoirs that are the big ones, the 60mm wide ones, simply by taking this ring and sliding it on top of the tube, the cylinder of the reservoir. You'll be able to install this ring, which will have an incredible LED effect on top of the reservoir or the acrylic part of the pump top. So included in the kit, what you have is this adapter cable as well as the LED light itself. Now the adapter cable allows you to plug into the proprietary end of the Alphacool connector that signals the RGB for the ring here, but this allows you to connect it directly into either your motherboard or a digital RGB controller. Now, if you want to purchase a RGB controller and not have to deal with your motherboard, you can purchase one of these Alphacool digital RGB controllers that have 3 different buttons on it that allow you to control the different styles of lighting effects that are on the LED ring itself. Simply by plugging in the lining up the 2 on the right and the 1 on the left here to plug it directly into the digital controller. As you can see, it's doing a spiral add-on effect. Now through the controller you can press these different buttons and allow it to change the different lighting modes, how fast, how slow it's going, the different style, the different color, whatever you'd like. So to install the ring, all you're going to do is you're going to take your reservoir, whether it be a pump reservoir combo or one of these Eisbecher lights, and you're going to remove the top and this mount here to allow enough room to slide this LED ring down to the bottom here. So give it a couple quick turns. That comes right off, and then you'll slide the LED ring around it. There you go. And we'll put it right on the bottom. That's where I'm going to place it for the lighting effect that I want, because the light will hit that Alphacool logo that is in the bottom there. So now that that is all nice and tight, you can turn the logo if you'd like, or set it whatever way you'd like, and apply power. So I'm going to use this digital RGB controller and the adapter cable and plug it directly in. And there you go. As you can see, it's doing the LED effects as the controller is issuing the command to do so. And by pressing the mode button, you can change the different lighting styles, the lighting effects. You can obviously slide this LED ring up or down the reservoir tube depending on what type of effect you might like. This one actually looks pretty cool, especially with the logo at the bottom. It actually looks better with it up top, I think, than on the bottom. But again, whatever way you want to set it up, it's up to you. Now this cable does come with a Y adapter inside of it, which allows you to connect multiple products together. So say you have this RGB ring or you have any of the hard tube rings, you can connect them both together. Again, all you'll do is you'll take your other Alphacool product, say it's this chrome LED ring, and you will plug in its feed end, the proprietary Alphacool end, to this Y, just like that. And then you can provide it power again, and you'll see that the 2 units together are actually doing the exact same lighting effect. And you can change it using the controller to make it do whatever you'd like. Just like that. So both of these products and the controller and everything like that are readily available from Alphacool and their many distributors, and would be a great addition to any water cooling build.